Hi guys, today we will talk about how to change your country on your Reddit app. We will go to figure out the solution on how we can do that. How can you do that on your Reddit app? You just go to your Reddit and it's going to show for you like this, and you just click here on app, and it's show for you like this, and you click here on settings. Then you come to settings window and you just click here on account settings for you. Then you come to account settings here in this window, and you just click here on country. And when you click on country here, a lot of country, or of course you choose your country, and so it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about our Reddit settings.